This was another stop on the Yineri Legacy Tour. This stop is at Sunrise Peak, which is also in Jeju, South Korea. We did hike up to the top, which takes about 50 minutes. Sunrise Peak is a volcanic cone that was created over 5,000 years ago. The cone is 182 meters high, and its crater is 600 meters in diameter. It has very scenic views of Jeju Island, as you are about to find out. We did all of our traveling in Korea and Japan through Admiral Travel, based out of Sarasota, Florida. Our expert here, Michelle Anderson, hooked us up with the Remote Lands Travel Group in Korea and Japan. Our tour guide for this portion was named Young, and here is a picture of her with our family. All right, quick trip down. The video and some of the pictures were shot with the Insta360 camera. As you can see, it gives you some incredible 360-degree views of the area. The artificial intelligence of the software actually erases the selfie stick that I was using, so you get this drone-like effect. The hike up took us about 45 minutes, but the hike down took us only about 10. That's what gravity does. I know we didn't visit Sunrise Peak during its first light, but if you do visit when the sun is coming up, it's supposed to be amazing. Apparently, you'll see the horizon come to life, and the sun will make an appearance out in the distance. We are now descending down into the area where the Hanyo divers are about to do their performance. This is covered in an earlier video. These stone figurines, like this one at the entrance to Sunrise Peak, can be found all over Jeju Island. Their Korean name translates to Grandfather Made of Stone. They are considered to be the guardians of the island who ward off demons and evil spirits. This concludes the video on Sunrise Peak. I hope you enjoyed it.